In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do barcode inventory with a touch screen in Excel. Many times in the warehouse, they don't actually have a mouse to do things with, and they prefer to do a touch screen. So here we have three boxes. One's for incoming, one's for outgoing, one's for inventory. I'm going to go click on this, go to my incoming sheet, and if you notice it's highlighted the scanning bar, so this is where you would scan in the first digit. So let's go back to the main menu and let me show you how I did this. I have on both the outgoing sheet and the incoming sheet, I've got the barcode scanning, and I've put a bookmark in there, and I've named the range, and I call it scan out. And I go to the incoming sheet and I click on that. Now I have called this one scan in. And so now on the menu, let's make another one. So I'm going to go insert, and I'm just going to put a shape. I'll go illustrations and then shapes, and I'll just take a square, and I'll make a square here. I'm not going to bother putting anything here, but I'm going to link it with named ranges that I have. So I'm going to right click on here, and I'm going to select link. And from the link dialog box up here, I'm going to select one of the defined names, and I'm going to go scan in. And this is going to bring me to the bookmark that I have on the incoming sheet called scan in. So if we click on that, then we go, and this scanning cell is highlighted. So let's try a few things. Let's go back to the main menu. First of all, I would like to show you my inventory. And my inventory right now, I have all the quantities at 4. I have 0 purchased, 0 sold in 2024, so you can know that my inventory is going to be working. Let's go to the main menu, and let's go to incoming. There's no opportunity for you to put in quantities here because you don't have a keyboard, and so you just need to scan a number in, and it assumes it's 1. And so I'm going to scan in 2222 and press enter. There you go. It is put it in the bottom here, and it has put the current quantity at 5, and then it's put the date and time that it's come in. So I'm going to go to outgoing, because now I'm going to sell my 2222, and so I'm going to put that in again, or I press enter, and there you go. And now we're back down to 4 again. So I will of course include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.